Copper is up, way up, and one ETF has ridden that rally to a 140% plus gain in the past year. It's called COPX, and it might be the most important commodity ETF you're not watching. Let's break it down. COPX is the Global X Copper Miners ETF. Instead of buying copper the metal, it owns a basket of the biggest copper mining companies around the world. Think Freeport-McMoRan, Lundin Mining, Glencore, Antofagasta. When copper prices rise, these miners' profits explode. That's the leverage built into this fund. COPX tracks the Solactive Global Copper Miners Total Return Index. That index picks roughly 40 to 50 publicly traded companies whose main business is mining, refining, or exploring for copper. It holds companies from Canada, the US, Japan, Poland, Chile, and the UK. Basically wherever the copper is. Unlike a futures-based copper ETF, you're not paying roll costs every month. You're buying equity in the producers. That means bigger upside when copper rallies, but also bigger drawdowns when it crashes. Here's what you need to know. Expense ratio, 0.65%. AUM, about $8.5 billion. Holdings, 47 companies. Top 10 make up a little over half the fund. Distributions are paid semi-annually. Dividend yield sits around 2.5%. The fund launched in April 2010, and the one-year return? Roughly 140%. Now, the channel has covered CPER before. CPER is different. It tracks copper futures directly. So CPER gives you pure exposure to the metal's price. COPX gives you leveraged equity exposure through the miners. When copper is trending up, COPX almost always outperforms. When copper stalls, COPX can underperform because miners carry operational and geopolitical risk. Think of CPER as the commodity and COPX as the business built on top of it. COPX is for the investor who believes the copper story. AI data centers need copper, EVs need copper, the electrical grid needs copper, and supply is not keeping up. If you want thematic high-beta exposure to the energy transition, COPX fits. If you want stability, monthly income, or low volatility, this is not it. If you want concentrated exposure to the copper boom and you can stomach the swings, COPX is one of the cleanest ways to play it. If you just want the metal itself, CPER is simpler. Pick the tool that matches your thesis. Subscribe for more no-fluff ETF breakdowns every week. See you in the next one.